Fluff decorations? Let's fix that. These 4 simple beading techniques instantly add sparkle, texture, and beautiful movement to your dance costumes, even if you're just starting out. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. Let's get started. We'll need these materials. You'll find the list below. So first, draw a guideline on the base fabric using a fabric marker with disappearing ink. Tie a knot at the end of your thread and bring your needle up right on the line. Pick up 3 beads. Place your needle down just next to the last bead and send it to the back of the fabric. Then bring your needle back up right between the first and second beads and go through the last 2 beads again. This helps secure it firmly and make sure your thread is facing along the line instead of pulling downward, which keeps your beaded line nice and straight. Next, add 3 more beads and repeat. Send the needle to the back, come up between the first 2 beads, and go through the last 2 beads again. Repeat the process and you get a perfectly straight line. You can use this technique to outline appliques or fill up spaces with larger beads. Next, diagonal lines. Start by drawing 2 guidelines 5 mm apart. Then bring your needle up at the beginning of the line. Pick up 1 large bead and 5 seed beads. Now place the end of the strand diagonally away from the line on the other line and send the needle down there. It looks best if the beads create a slight arch. Next, bring your needle back up a couple millimeters away from the first bead, from the first large bead you just stitched. Pick up another large bead and 5 more seed beads. Again, place the end diagonally and stitch it down. Keep repeating that and you'll end up with a gorgeous wider line with the large beads creating a pretty edge along the design. You can use sequins in place of large stones to create a sequin outline like this too. Next, rope. You'll need a guideline for this one too. I'm using a piece of rhinestone chain as my guide here. Just glue it down first, then stitch it in place every few stones to secure it. Start by bringing your needle up at the beginning of the line, or in my case, rhinestone chain, and pick up some seed beads. I'm using size 8 seed beads and picking up 7 of them. Hold the thread and gently shape the beads into a small arch. Place the end of the arch right on the line. The arch should be about as tall as one of your seed beads. That's your cue for where to send the needle down. Then bring the needle back up right in the center of that arch on the line. Pick up 7 more seed beads, make another arch, and make sure the strand starts right under the previous arch. Send the needle down again. Now bring the needle up right next to the strand and just repeat those steps. You'll end up with a pretty twisted looking beaded line. The key is to always bring your needle up and down right along the original guideline and try to keep each arch the same height. That's what gives it a nice rope-like look. This technique is perfect for decorating edges of appliques, straps, bra cups, and waistbands. And short tassels. This one's super easy. First, bring your needle up where you want the tassel to go and pick up some beads. Make it as long as you like. It works best if you use larger beads toward the bottom, finishing with the biggest bead and a small seed bead at the very end. The heavier beads help the tassel sway nicely. Next, skip the last seed bead and pass your needle back up through all the other beads, starting from the big one all the way to the top. Then just send the needle back down right next to where you started and tie a secure knot on the back. A single strand is pretty, or you can repeat a few times and you've got a beautiful tassel. These little tassels are such a fun way to add movement and sparkle to your outfit. And if you're excited to keep exploring ways to decorate your costumes, come join me inside the Sparkly Belly All Access membership. You get instant access to all 19 of my courses. That's over 32 gorgeous designs, from appliques to beading techniques and more. And here's the fun part. If you join before next Sunday, you'll also get my Sewing Basics for Belly Dance costume making modules as a free bonus. They're worth $87 and cover exactly how to sew with tricky dance fabrics and make your costume stronger and more professional. So whether you're starting from scratch or just want to add your own sparkle, everything's waiting for you inside. Check it out at the link below. So try these easy beading techniques on your next project. They add such a beautiful touch of sparkle and dimension. And if you found this helpful, you also love learning how to make beaded fringe too. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!